Alrighty, we are going to read a story today. We're going to read a story about rain. Rain. Since we are talking about some weather, so here we go. What's this page called? Good. The table of contents. It tells us what information is on what page. So we are going to keep going. Rain is water that falls from clouds. Rain is made up of raindrops. Raindrops are many sizes. Some raindrops are small and light. They fall slowly. Light rain is called drizzle. Some raindrops are big and heavy. Heavy rain falls fast. Splat! The raindrops land hard. Rain brings water to the earth. It falls into rivers, lakes, and oceans. It soaks into the ground. The water on earth will become rain again. It turns into tiny drops called water vapor. The vapor rises into the air. Water vapor drops are too small to see. They are so light that they float in the air. The air rises and cools. The water vapor drops grow bigger. The drops stick to dust in the air and make good clouds. Glad you remembered that. The water drops inside a cloud bump into each other. The drops clump together to make bigger drops. The cloud turns dark. The water drops become heavier than the air. They fall to the ground as rain. Rain is part of the water cycle. Rain or snow falls to the ground. Water on the ground becomes vapor and rises. Clouds form. Rain or snow falls to the ground again. The water cycle never ends. We're going to learn a little bit more about that on the next day. Too much rain can cause a flood. Floods destroy buildings and crops. Crops are the vegetables and plants that farmers grow. Too little rain can cause a drought. A drought is when there is not enough water. Lakes and rivers dry up. The soil becomes hard and cracked. People, plants, and animals need water. Rain brings water to all living things. The end. There are some definitions for you.